One.
We're going to talk about the energy flow in ecosystems and why it is important. The main parts we're going to talk about are composers and decomposers, first level consumers, second level consumers, and third level consumers.
Composers and decomposers are an important part in energy flow because they get their energy from eating animals and plants. Decomposers are also important because they break down dead organisms and they recycle the nutrients in the matter. Primary producers store energy in forms that make it available to other organisms that can eat them and are therefore essential to the flow of energy through the biosphere. For example, plants obtain energy from sunlight and turn it into nutrients that can be eaten and used for energy by animals such as caterpillars.
Action.
First level consumers, also known as primary consumers. These are some examples of frogs, crickets, and mice, and other little bugs that eat from other plants. The primary consumer is an organism that eats plants and provides the energy needed for other types of consumers to use.
Foxes, owls, and other animals are secondary consumers that are usually carnivores that feed on the primary consumers or herbivores. They are heterotrophs, specifically carnivores and omnivores. Carnivores only eat other animals. Omnivores eat a combination of plants and animals. 2, 1.
Third level consumers are bears, tigers, and hawks, and more. Third level consumers are mainly carnivores, and they are at the top of the energy pyramid. Okay.
Go.
The energy flow of one consumer to another usually decreases by 90%. This 90% is lost into heat. Primary producers can have around 100% of energy. Then the first level consumer, when they consume the primary producer, get only 10% of that. So they'll end up with 10% energy. The secondary level consumer will end up with 1% energy. The third level consumer will end up with 0.1% energy. And the way the heat is lost in the pyramid is from when primary producers use photosynthesis, and that's where the 90% energy comes from. That 90% is for the primary producer only and them only, and as it transfers off, that 10% is the excess energy that they don't need, and it's the same thing for each and every consumer.
It's not that serious,
Don't
bro.
record. Let's go. My name is Ruben. Tell me when.
Oh.
First level consumers. The first level consumers are also known as primary consumers. These are some examples of frogs. Oh my god. First level fuck.
That's a
3, 2, 1. Thanks for watching our video.
Like and subscribe. See you next time.
Oh! Yo, what